Sundik!
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything.
My name is Decadent Sigon.
I'm Decadent Gaborino Patrick June.
And I'm Decadent Fruto Hans Christian. We are here to teach you guys how to plot waypoints using the computer application,
which is called opencpn 4.8.0.
Good morning, my fellow cadets. So today I'm gonna show you how to install the apps that needed for us to make our own waypoints. So first is we need to install this one. Just double click and install, but I already have mine, so let's start. First is open Cpn. As you can see, there is no specific names of the places here. So first is we need to click option up here, and then charts, then open dictionary and locate the other file, then click select folder, click apply. Okay, so as you can see, we're able to see the location of the map here: Masbate, Samar, Legazpi, Mindoro, Cebu, Bohol. So as you can see, there are labels here like mud, sand. So today I'm gonna show you how to make your own waypoint. So from Cebu City to Ormoc Leyte. So first is zoom into Cebu City. Here. So Cebu City, port of Cebu City. Simply right click, then drop a mark here, so that we'll be able to locate it easily. And we're going to Ormoc City. So right click and drop a mark. Dropping mark is important for this tutorial for us to locate it easily. So first is from Cebu City just simply click this one, create route, then from here, yes, just simply create your own waypoint. Just this simple. Click, yes. Okay, our waypoint from Cebu City to Ormoc City is already done. So just simply right click, then end route. Okay, this is our waypoint from Cebu City to Ormoc City. So by the way, using this app, once you double click some area, you will also able to know how deep, like the deep area. As you can see, 16 in this area is 16.4 feet to 32.8 feet. Also, we will able to see some lighthouse towers like that here. So to know your initial time of arrival, just simply click the road, right click on it, and click properties. Okay, as you can see, let's zoom in. From the first point, from here to here, the total distance of it is 2.40 nautical mile, and its bearing 059 degrees, and its location of the point is here. You can also see, and the ETA speed, as you can see, the second waypoint in 1.03 nautical mile in the bearing of 072 degrees. The third waypoint, distance of 0.97 nautical mile, its bearing 056 degrees. The fourth, the fifth, sixth, seventh. So also, let's label this from Cebu Port to Ormoc Port. Okay. The total distance is 63.0 nautical mile. Time route is 4 hours and 52 minutes. So you can also change your speed. For example, we need to change or increase it to 15 knots. So everything's gonna change, and especially the time route will decrease. Okay, that would be all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something.
Special thanks to our navigation instructor, Mr. Roy Cabrera, for sharing this application.
For more videos regarding navigation purposes, subscribe to his channel, Rocabs Cabrera. Shout out to you, sir. See you next time.
Karitsugon, Ing Tobani, signing out.